AL501 operating system BTech 5th semester question paper. Here we go. First question is of operating system paper. First set of first question is what are the functionalities of operating systems, explain in details. Then second part of first question is what is mean by system call, how it can be used, how does an application program use these calls during execution. So these are the questions of first page. Then we move forward to the second page. Here's the second question. First part, write about disk space allocation methods, explain about the services of operating system. Then third question is about what is a monitor, explain how Denning philosopher's problem is solved using monitors with examples pseudocode. The second part of third question is following in is the snapshot of a CPU. Draw the Janet chart and calculate the turnaround time and waiting time of the jobs for FCFs, which is first come first served. Then second one is SGF, shortest job first. Then SRTF, shortest remaining time first, and last one which is round robin with time quantum 10 scheduling algorithm. So these are the questions which are presented in second page of our question papers. Now we move towards the third page of our question paper. Fourth answer, first part is consider the following page reference strings. These are the given strings. We have to find how many page faults would occur for the following replacement algorithm, assuming 3-4 frames. Remember that all frames are initially empty, so your first unique pages will cost on one fault each. First one we have to find Euler replacement, then second one is optimal replacement. And second part of fourth question is what is a virtual memory. Discuss the benefits of virtual memory techniques. Then fifth questions is about explain about deadlocks, conditions, and bankers algorithm in detail. Then second part of fifth question is write the principles of protection and explain the access metrics in detail. Now the sixth question, first part is what do you mean by deadlock, explain various methods that handling the deadlock. So these all questions are about the third page of our operating system question paper. Then last page we move towards the last page of our question paper. Now sixth second part is explain pegging memory management in detail. Then seventh question, first part is given memory partition of 100k, 500k, 200k, 300k, and 600k in order. Now we have to find how would each of the first fit, best fit, and worst fit algorithm piece, and also the processes of 212k, 417k, 112k, and 426k in the order. Now finally, which algorithm makes the most efficient use of memory? Show the diagram of memory status in each case that we will have to find. Now we're talking about the second part of seventh question, which is that explain protection mechanism illustrating uses of protection domain and access control list. Now last but not least, eighth question is about write a short note on any of two. You choose two questions from four. First one is fixed partition, second one is explain mutual exclusion problem, third one is file system creation, last one is embedded and mobile operating system. So these all questions is in the fourth section of our operating system question paper of RGBV 5th semester. So thank you.